Do you like what you see? Want to make it yourself? This is super easy. You just need a loaf of bread. I have sourdough bread here, as well as a meat of your choice. I have ham, wieners, and smoked bologna. As for the cheese, I have Swiss and Monterey Jack with jalapeno. I also have barbecue sauce, pickles, sriracha sauce, and of course mayo. You can substitute the meat with mushroom sauce from my previous video. This will give you a vegetarian version of the sandwich. So back to it. Cut the meat as you would like to see to the sandwich. I like it cut in thin stripes. Then make some sriracha mayo. Add a few tablespoons of mayo, sriracha, mix thoroughly, and voila! Move to the next step. Spread the sauces on the bread and decorate with meat, pickles, and cheese. You can use whatever leftovers are in the fridge. Then into a preheated oven to 500 degrees it goes for 5 minutes. Once time's up, turn on the broiler on high for 2 minutes. Unload sandwiches on the wire rack to save the crust on the bottom, otherwise it will steam up and become very soggy. Now it's time to enjoy it!